Red light. It's too fucking hot for red lights. Papa John's. I'm gonna try to be funny. You know what I think it is? This helmet is so quiet. It's making it even worse for me to hear you.
This helmet, I can hear everything. Even that guy in the phone is inside his car.
Oh man.
You're recording?
Huh?
You recording?
All the time.
Oh.
So anyway, what's up, yo, internet people and everybody that's tuning in to watch this. So I got reprimanded by a friend of mine, co-worker, and he's like, dude, your videos are cool, but I was watching them with my young daughter and you curse way too much. I am so sorry about that. I'm a construction worker. That's what we do. We curse. Very blunt speaking manners. So I'm gonna be... I don't know what happened there. I thought I pressed it. So anyway, I'm gonna be on good behavior now and going to try to be more articulate with the way I speak. Until some crazy stuff happens, and then I'm just gonna start, you know, dropping F-bombs all over the place. Well, hopefully that does not happen, and my videos can be a little bit more G-rated or reach a broader audience. Hopefully by not using curse words, I won't sound boring, which I shouldn't, unless you're an idiot and you think that, you know, everybody needs to curse. But I did once read that people, more intelligent people, actually curse a lot. I don't know if it makes sense. It might, but what the hell. You guys can read up on that and let me know. Whoa, that was a bump. My butt left the seat. So this will be a clean video, no cursing, just taking some local streets, not going crazy, no gear on as you can see, although I did pick up my rear wheel before. Man, was I recording that? I hope I was recording that. Bikers. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna go local. I'm kind of hungry. I might ask Assad if he wants to grab something to eat. I don't even know where to go to eat something quick around. Well, I mean, I do, but everywhere's kind of like sit down, and it's kind of late. I gotta wake up early for work tomorrow morning, so. And I don't do fast food. I don't do McDonald's and Wendy's and stuff like that. It's just it's disgusting. It sits around in the freezer for a long time, and I just don't eat it. I'll have a burger, but I'll go to a good place to have a burger. But anyways, we're gonna go down Park Avenue, which is a little bit more of a crowded street. There might be some people walking around, especially on a beautiful summer night like today. It's in the 90s and it's, you know, the sun's set by now. It's great. It really is. I love riding the bike in this kind of weather, especially with no gear on. His lights, I don't know. Can somebody tell me the Hyper Motard or Hyper Strada headlight for the 821 model? Are those LED lights? Because his lights seem a whole lot brighter than mine. I know mine is just a regular halogen bulb, but when I look in my rear mirror, it looks nice and white. I wish my lights would look like that. I mean, I might have to go and invest in some LED bulbs and get some better lights instead of this candlewick thing I'm doing right now. Red lights suck. why do you have your caution lights on? Is there a reason for it? What are you up to? What's with the emergency lights? Either pull over if you have an emergency, or don't just drive 5 miles an hour. Jesus Christ. I don't understand. That lady had her neck brace on, and she was Asian, so she can't like turn around and look over her shoulder to. That's just a dangerous combination. Usually she should stay home and stay off the roads. Oh, the breeze sure feels good. What's going on here? They have live music? They have live music over there. Yeah. This town is so much better than mine. In my town, nothing happens. It's a square mile of boring. Oh, there's a lot of people out here. Yeah, Assad, taking the lead. Yo. You know, guys, I didn't like the Hyper Motard for the longest time. When I was looking to buy a bike, I saw a lot of them for sale. Not the 821s, the older models, like the 796, 1100. But now that I've seen the bike in person, and I like it. It's a good-looking bike. Now the Hyper Motard version of it looks a lot better than the Hyper Strada, but damn, no, this thing looks good too. I mean, it's basically the same thing, except the Hyper Strada's got like the luggage on it, but you know, most of the time I'd be riding with that stuff off. Alright, where are we? Where are we going, Assad? Where are we going? They had live music playing over there. Yeah. They have like that little amphitheater over there where the cop was standing. There was a live band playing music there. Yeah. They do that there often. Only Wallington is boring. I don't know. Well, let's do a little bit of this. Make this right. Does this get me on the highway? Yes, it does. You dick. So, as I was saying, local driving, riding, yeah, but I'm on a bike, so I'm riding. Boring highways. There's like nothing to see around here. I mean, you know, we can, where can we go? Let me think about it. Let me think about it. We can stop by Wawa. A lot of people, this is in Garfield, not too far from here. A lot of people come there on bikes. Let's be part of them. Let's be Wawa douchebags tonight. Yep. You are going to merge, so I'll get out of your way. Oh, it feels amazing! It feels amazing! Ah, damn! Now I sound like a fucking retard. I sound like that. Oh my god, a double rainbow! Oh, okay, see that? You probably have. My hand? I thought that's why you had your hand though. Where is Assad? Assad is over there.